Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can record a screen in MacBook. So for that you will have to open your launchpad. Here you have to search QuickTime Player. So this is the by default application, it comes in MacBook. So you open it, QuickTime Player. So here when you will open it and you just in Docker you just right click on this. So you can see here in this you just go to new screen recording. So new screen recording, and here you will have option. So in this microphone you select, it will be selected by default. If you have the other input device, you can select, and here you can select like what you want, record entire screen and record capture selected portion. Here you can see, you can select the selected one, you can check, and there are multiple options as well, like capture selected window, capture entire screen. So I will select record entire screen. So I will just go to record entire screen. Yeah, I will select this, and when you will click record, it will start recording. So you can see here, so recording has started. So when you want to stop this, so you can see here this quick player, you can quit it here, and or you can do it like this. So you can see here that this video, we just recorded this video. So you can see here this. So this video we just recorded it. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.